Hi, today I was working on finishing off these little shapes, created using the dip method of paint pouring from a recent children's workshop I ran. I'm adding UV resin on top and they will be turned into magnets. And I thought, why not show the process of damming and doming in a video? So here we are, here. We start off by creating the dam. To do this, we simply pour a thin line of resin just along the inside edge of the shape, going all the way around, and ensuring there are no gaps, and that it doesn't spill over the edge. You want to stay just inside the edge. UV resin is a lot less toxic to use than epoxy, but I still have my air purifier running and the window open, as some can still have a strong odour. It also cures a lot faster than epoxy. You can put these under UV lights, which will cure them in minutes, or just leave them in a sunny spot and they will cure within hours. That's what I'm doing with these. I'll just pop them on the windowsill while I finish off some other projects and add the finishing touches tomorrow. Once you have built your dam, add a small pool of resin into the centre. Remember, only add in small amounts until you get used to how much is needed to cover the surface. You can always add more, but it's harder to remove if you add too much. Use an icy pole stick or other tool to gently spread the resin up to the inner edge of your dam, making sure you don't miss any spots. This is the UV resin I am using for this project. I think I got this one from Temu. I'm going to very carefully lift this one up and show you how it doesn't go outside of the dam. The resin is still running, so I'm being super careful not to turn too vertically and let it drip off. Next, we use a little torch to pop any bubbles. Just run it carefully over the surface, not too close, and keep it moving across the surface. If you have stubborn bubbles, you can also use a skewer. Tomorrow, once these are cured, I will check around the edges, and if there are spots that need touching up, I can just add in a little drip of UV resin to make them smooth all the way around. Just bringing you down now for a close-up, first with all the studio and camera lights on, then with the lights turned off and just the camera flash to try and reduce the glare. Ideally, I would have added extra paint to the edges before today to cover those bare spots, but this was spur of the moment, so I will fix those later with a paint pen. And that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you learned something new today. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so you never miss a video.